Hi guys! So what we have for today? Excited! Chadan! We have our silver play button! Let's unbox it! Okay, before I will unbox our silver button, okay, I just like to thank all of you who supported my channel and for the members that, supported me. There's one here. You know who you are. Call you SA. The guardian angel of this channel who always supports with no, without even say, we're not even asking anything. It's just a member who, supported me for over a year, and I really appreciate it. So, and to all the subscriber, the new and the old, I really appreciate all of you. This is just, you know, it's just for me, it's just a thing that doesn't have value. The value is that the people who supported me, that's more important. So I treasure all of you who supported this channel. I started this channel what is it? It's 2013, but actually I didn't really put anything there. Actually I started this at 2021, I think. So it's been 2 years, and we got this channel. This 100,000, right? And the 100,000 really started, oh, not really, like last year when I started the motivational shorts. I started in February, and so I continued that, and then I switched to comedy. It's the playful aspect of myself that I really like to have fun. And I know some of you said that there are like a negative vibe in that some of the videos. Well, I was undergoing some problems in that time, so that's why the vibe is a little bit off on that some of that videos. I know I saw comments, and I really shifted after that reading. That I shifted my my mind. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for letting me know that you feel the vibe. So yeah, so I always look at, read some comments, and if I don't read, and if I don't reply, because I just feel there's no need for it to reply, but I appreciate all of that. Okay, but it's not that I don't need comments. It could help a channel dramatically. Yeah, so if you're studying out, if you want to have my attention and just be nice, okay, I'll go back to your channel, watch your channel, and yeah, that's it. We just support each other, right? So you don't have to be selfish in anything. If we can just give support by watching the videos once in a while, right? Because of our how busy we are in our day-to-day life. So let's unbox now our plaque plaque appreciation. So okay, so this is our let's unbox this. Okay, excited. Actually, I was excited before, no? Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. They ordered this in US though. I thought they will have it made in Asia, since I ordered it and sent it here in the Philippines. But yeah, anyway, how come I can't how come I can't open this up? Nagpalugit, no? Nagpalugit pa siya. Maabot na po na yung Shopee order. Oh, another Shopee order, okay? I'll be back na order. Let's continue. So this is it. This is how it looks. Right? So very casual lang ating attire today. Okay, so we have here what? A foam. Okay, and then we have this. Okay, calling card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Diba? May note pa tayo. Then we have these notations right here. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100, your 1000, and chances are you do, of course, right? And we know that you'll definitely remember your 1000 subscriber. Yay! 1000, 100. So this is our plaque, you guys. Thank you so much. Let's see. Diba? Maganda siya. It says here, recognize your team. Diba? Share the recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator card award. Right? And then, maliit na siya, no? Maliit na lang siya. Para siyang ano lang. Lesser than the bond paper, Manila paper, no? So, diba? Congratulations to us for the support. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate each one of you for supporting my channel. Focus. Thank you.